I tell you what, out of all of the things that we were sent, this cart has been one of the best things that I got. I'm back down to my original 15, my Isa Browns. One of my neighbors came and he wanted some chicken, so I went ahead and sold him the brown sex links, all 15 of them. I wasn't a fan of the egg color and size, so I just went ahead and let them go. So we down to 15 chickens, and I'm probably gonna get like 40 more. Crank that thing up. Cause these jokers, I'm only getting like 3 eggs a day now from them, if that. So, yeah, I'm gonna burn this up, and then when we come back, I'll clean out this coop. I don't know why they like doing that. They go straight for the fire. I am gonna put the Geobin back in here and put all the stuff in here, so. All right. I do what they call the deep litter method. It's my version of it. Because I do use diatomaceous earth on the bottom. I sprinkle that down in there. All right, so this is the coop. That's where they walk in to lay. You see all the poop. They roost up there. But yeah, get all this out. Put some new bedding in there. Put some new bedding in the nesting boxes, and be good to go. Let's get it. Now with the last little bit, I'll just rake it out and spread it across the floor. So you gotta get you one of these Geobins. They're big enough for chickens to hop in, compost, break it down, you know? Anyway, this is what we looking like. Got all that bedding out. But yeah, now we're just gonna fill this up with some more bedding. We're gonna clean that out too first. So. This is it. Nice fresh bedding down. It also helps with the health of your birds too. You wanna keep that clean, so. You got this, I'm gonna break that down, throw some more stuff in there. I might throw some leaves on top of there just to get that going. You happy? That's what they do right there. Get this cover back up. I built this about 4 or 5 years ago, I think. Maybe 2021. I think. I don't know. I'm telling you, the older I get, these years just be swinging together, man. I don't be realizing things be so long ago. It be seeming like it's yesterday, but that's how it is. I ain't doing that. Just like 2 big handfuls. All right. All right, so got the coop all cleaned out. I'm gonna show y'all this hoop coop real quick. Yeah, I can't wait to get them in here, boy. But yeah, I added plywood. I added a couple pieces right here and right here just to block the wind. And I added some roosting bars. I'm gonna use some these like that on each side. And I'm gonna have a load of wood chips coming. I'm gonna put down here in about a week and a half. So I got a week and a half to finish this. So that's the plan. Anyway, appreciate y'all. To the next one.